Hello, I'm Teresa Easler from Connect to the Core, and welcome to Teresa's Tips. Today's tip is about a distinction between being active and being busy. And it came out of a conversation that one of my team members and I were having about one of our clients. And the comment was made as like, wow, he's really active. And I said, no, not so much, but he's really busy. See, active has a different kind of connotation. It has a physicality about it. Busy is keeping every minute filled. For all of us, it's really easy to be very busy and do it sitting at a desk and have no activity going on at all. So when you're thinking about yourself, if you're active, know that there's actual movement that goes on. You're doing something. You are out and about. Busy tends to keep you chained to one place where you actually can't be active. Now, here's the thing to look at. The danger is always to be too busy. Most of us are too busy. My recommendation is that you actually list all the things that you do on any given day, and maybe you take over a period of time. And if you're highly scheduled, you might be able to just go right through your calendar and look and see all the things that you've done. I'm sure you did about 50 other things besides what's in your calendar. But list them. And then identify how many of those things were really essential for you to do. Is there somebody else who could have done those instead of you, and would it have been better for somebody else to do them? Or are there some things that you were really just wasting time? You know, like all those times searching the internet, following that thread, going down that rabbit hole, those kinds of things, where it looks like you're really busy, you're filling time, you're not active. And is the busyness to deliver and to produce a particular result, or is it just to keep yourself busy? So those are hard internal questions to ask yourself, but take a look at it. Are you being active or are you being busy? And is your busyness engaged in activities that are actually going to produce the results that you would like to produce? So thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time, and don't forget, we're on social media. Would love to see you join us there.